While the holidays are over, the spirit of giving is still needed here in East Texas.
The shelves at the food bank and the blood bank are almost empty, and now both banks are working together to restock their shelves with their annual Fill the Banks campaign. CBS 19's Michelle Reese spoke to people who say these agencies have saved their lives. Michelle?
Justin, the campaign is in full swing to bring in donations to both banks. Today, we spoke with two people whose lives were forever changed by the donations given to these agencies.
I don't need her.
Playtime with her twins almost didn't happen for Amanda Davis.
The doctor did tell my husband that they almost lost me.
While she was delivering her now 15-month-old babies, something went wrong.
What you would consider to be maybe a normal C-section pregnancy was not, and I started hemorrhaging, and I had to receive 6 units of blood.
Blood from the Carter Blood Care Center saved her life.
People think that blood banks have blood all the time, and you know, something like a pregnancy that could be normal at 1 minute can turn devastating the next, and that blood has to be there. If that blood's not there, you know, somebody could lose their life.
It's why she's encouraging people to donate to Fill the Banks. Each pint of blood donated can save 3 lives.
It saved my life.
Thank you.
At St. Paul's Food Pantry in Tyler,
Some flour, I got some peaches.
a different kind of donation is helping Yvonne Gilliam.
It's a blessing to me, and I imagine it's a blessing to everyone that comes here. Because I tell you what, if it wasn't for them, I tell you what, I don't think that I could make it.
She's getting her weekly groceries.
I got a lot of stuff. I got some juice. I got a blessing.
She says she'd have to go without if this food pantry didn't exist.
It's very helpful because I can't afford groceries.
The pantry relies on the East Texas Food Bank to stock its shelves weekly. The food bank helps nearly 68,000 people in Smith County each year.
We need the help here. We need the help here. Because I tell you what, the way the economy is, we need the help.
2 women whose lives touched by 2 different agencies with a common goal: helping East Texans in need. The East Texas Food Bank says if you'd like to help, you can donate 3 ways to them: your time, food, or with a check. Carter Blood Care says it needs your donation. They say right now their levels are critical for all blood types.
Why do they do this drive in January?
Well, after the holidays, the shelves typically go low at each of the banks. So 3 years ago, a pastor in Tyler decided to make sure that all of the shelves stay full. So he came up with this idea for this campaign to encourage people to help these agencies that help our community.
Hopefully all year long. Very good idea. Okay, Michelle, thank you. And if you'd like information on how to donate, go to our website and click on the hot button. We want to hear from you. Have you donated food items or blood in the last month, or do you plan to? You can vote in our online poll by going to our website, cbs19.tv. Look for results tonight on CBS 19, 10 at 10.
A couple of East Texas nonprofits are hoping you will start the new year by helping to fill the banks. Today is the first day of the annual Fill the Banks campaign. The drive benefits the East Texas Food Bank and Carter Blood Care. East Texans have been asked to step up and donate some food or maybe even some blood throughout the month of January.
We are asking people to give of themselves, come together as a community, give food to the food bank, and give blood to the blood bank.
By the way, 1 in 4 East Texas children are at risk of hunger, and 1 unit of blood can save 3 lives. So go help out.